Mexico, and then head out over the Gulf of Mexico before crossing over the U.S. coast in the area of Florida, then passing overhead of Sebring, Florida, Lake Kissimmee, and then south of Orlando, Florida, before coming in for a landing at the shuttle landing facility at Kennedy Space Center. We are standing by for the deorbit burn, which is scheduled to kick off in 40 minutes and 37 seconds from now, and that would lead up to a landing at Kennedy Space Center in 1 hour, 46 minutes and 25 seconds. The deorbit
a few minutes. We'll watch the thing approach, and we'll go outside and see if we can hear the sonic boom. Okay, hopefully in a few minutes we're going to hear the sonic boom from the Space Shuttle as it passes over Cape Coral, Florida. I'm going to turn the camera off and on sporadically until about 25 after 2, and it should be crossing, going overhead. I'll show it to you on the screen as the ground track shows it, and then I'll go outside and let the camera run, and you should be able to hear the sonic boom. You'll hear 2 quick booms. It'll be like boom, boom. I remember those from when I was a kid in Ohio. The B-58 Hustlers used to fly over about 7 o'clock at night. We'd always hear the sonic booms. Boom, boom. They'd shake the windows, and sometimes plates would fall out of the cupboards. I doubt that that'll happen here, although it could be pretty loud, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off now, and when it gets closer, I'll show another picture, and we'll go outside and you can hear it. You might even be able to see it, but I doubt it. I mean, see the shuttle as it goes by. I don't think it glows quite bright enough to be able to be seen. Okay, at Cape Coral is, see the line there, there's the shuttle, and that's Cape Coral right there. To the right of the line, and the left of the line, and to the right of that triangle, that's the Cape Coral. So it should pass right over us. That's Lake Okeechobee, that dot to the right on the peninsula, or that circular thing on the right is Lake Okeechobee, and it'll be quite a ways past us before we hear the sonic boom. And I'm going to turn the camera off again and turn it on just before it gets to us, and go outside, let the camera run, and you should be able to hear it. And it's 180 miles from Cape Coral to Cape Canaveral, and you can see my videos of the launches too. I'm going to post the URL link where you can see those videos at the end of this video. Should be about 20. It should be about a 25 miles high when it passes us. Like I said, I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but I'm sure we're going to be able to hear the sonic boom. Once again, there's Cape Coral. I'll show you a map in this video. And Cape Canaveral is up at the end of that line there.
5,400 miles an hour, altitude 29 miles. 300 miles of landing site. Touchdown in 10 minutes and 47 seconds.
And it'll take about 7 minutes from the time it passes over us to travel that 180 miles. to Cape Canaveral. That's all it's going to take, 7 minutes to go 180 miles after it passes us.
Miles an hour, Mach 6.7, altitude 26 miles, 243 miles to landing site. It'll continue to bleed off excess speed at an angle of 40 degrees.
Right there is Cape Coral, right to the left of the line. The line actually goes through Fort Myers and Cape Coral. Now I'm going to go outside and see if we can see it, and I'm sure we're going to be able to hear it. I'm going to let the camera run. I'm looking up in the sky to see if I can see it, and I don't see anything yet. Should be any second now that we should be able to hear the boom boom. It's going to be going about 5,000 miles an hour anyhow, 25 miles up. We should be hearing the boom booms any second. Any second. There they are. That was the sonic boom. I don't see it, but that was the sonic boom, and it was pretty loud because it went almost directly over us. I guess in about another 6 minutes it'll be landing. I'll go back in, let the camera run, and show you where it shows it on the map on the television. That was pretty neat though, pretty neat. Only about 1 million people in the whole United States are able to hear that sonic boom. And there it is there's Cape Canaveral up there, and there's the shuttle in the screen. So we weren't able to see it, but we definitely heard it. I'm going to turn the camera off now. This is the view out the shuttle's window. This is
altitude 6.5 miles. Rick Johnson now taking control of the stick for a brief period. 110,000 feet. 7 miles to the landing site. And there is the runway. Speed. And there's a camera view of the Space Shuttle Endeavour as it's coming in for landing. Gear down and locked. Made your touchdown.
and it's home.